Hi, I'm 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙚, Director of Allelec Services, and we're here today to talk about our Huski 3.8 tonne excavator you can see here behind me. Besides the Huski excavator, we also have a Huski scissor lift. The team at 𝙤𝙤𝙧𝙚 have been awesome, always available if we've got any questions, need any answers on anything. The Huski does a great job for trenching and light pole footings on our projects, and it's fantastic. Previously we had a 2-tonner. It was a different brand, but at times the 2-tonner struggled on some jobs, and hence we went with a Huski 3.8 tonner, just to give us a bit more oomph, quicker digging, get through the harder projects quicker. The zero swing machine is, even though it's a larger machine, it's still fantastic for reasonably tight access jobs. The Huski is great, very easy to operate, and I feel very comfortable when operating it with all of the safety features available. We've had this machine for about 1.5 years now. The quality's so good I'd recommend it to anybody. I anticipate keeping this for years because the Huski machine is such a quality unit.